Today we are going to talk about how to create Telegram bot inside n8n. So we are going to add a Telegram trigger inside n8n. Then we are going to use a GPT model, combine it together. And then with this bot, we are going to send an automatic message within Telegram. You just write a message, ask a question inside Telegram, and then using a different LLMs, we are going to get answer. So now I'm going to just start the process and show you exactly how it looks like. So initially we've got, like you could see, a Telegram trigger, message model, and send a text message. And while I've got this, we're also going to run send a text message, as you can see. So right now we are going to go and execute this flow. As I click on execute the flow, you can see right now we are inside Telegram, and here I'm just writing this message, who is Bill Gates? Once I've done this, this is right now executing the second node, which is messenger model. Here we are using OpenAI models. You could use many different models based on your choice. And here we've also written a prompt, which is giving us response. And now you see inside Telegram, as I open it, that there is the response, which is there. So this whole has been generated. Bill Gates is an American businessman, software developer, entrepreneur. When was he exactly born, and which companies has he formed? So all of that information is present here. Now our goal is that we're going to execute everything from scratch. So we're going to build everything in small detail in Scratch, and then we're going to take it from there. So first we are clicking on Telegram, and inside Telegram we're just looking at different triggers. I've got the trigger which is on message. Here I'm connecting it and creating and connecting with different credentials. You need API access token from Telegram, and you can get that by just going into the docs. Here you've got inside n8n already these Telegram credentials, how exactly to handle all of them. You can use API bot access token, BotFather. So BotFather is one of those things that we could use, which is already a bot, and we could use it in order to actually create this. So right now I'm going to click on start bot, and as you can see, BotFather is one of the bots to rule the mode. All of this information is there. This exactly tells you how do you structure all of your messages which are out there. New bot / it's add a new bot. Please change the name of your bot. So through this, you can create any bot. This is the bot which helps you to create many different bots. And right now, as you can see, this is how we have set up. We have called our bot n8n connection, and then we've set up a specific username, as you could say. And then you could see that, hey, congratulations on your new bot. A new bot has been created. And just there, we've also gotten this key, which I just hit it, but this is the key that we're going to use. And that's something that you have to add it here. You add it as an access token once you have it. So this is how you set up and you create this whole trigger. Just remember that key actually came directly from that bot. And right now, yeah, we're just going to create a message, a model AI. We're just calling an LLM. Here we can use many different ones. I've already collected OpenAI account. You just have to add the API. And here I've chosen my model and I've written a prompt. Then let me just execute this to see how it looks like. So I go in there and I'm going to write a message, hey, and let's see what's the response. So yeah, this is the text that I get inside n8n. If I click on hi, then the second step is prompt. We're just going to write a prompt. We're using GPT-5 specifically for this. And as we previously mentioned that we've got OpenAI, you can access it by going to the API keys inside platform.openai.com, and you need to create a secret key. Really important that you keep it secure. Then we are just going inside the prompt, and we're just going to click on exactly how this prompt has to look like. And then I'm just adding JSON message text. So it's just going to take that text and it's going to just forward it there. Now I'm executing this step. And right now, hey, how can I help you today? This is exactly the content. So this is the information which is passed in there. Now we are going to add the third trigger. So we're going to go inside Telegram and we're going to look for send a text message. So that's our goal, that we send message. Right now from the previous input, which is the model, we're going to take some information. For example, we could just take chat ID, and then chat ID is something that we're going to send as a message. This is something that is coming either from input, which could be the trigger, or the model, and that information is coming. We have also taken json.message.content. You could see, hey, how can I help you? That is going to be the text. So we are passing the text forward, what is coming as an output from the model. So, hey, how can I help you today? You're gonna write that, and this is something, this message was sent automatically with this. And then I'm writing, who is Bill Gates? So this is the question that we are asking from the bot. We got that information. And right now, when you see, and when you go back, you're gonna say that we're gonna have, yeah, we are going to, okay, right now our trigger was inactive. We have to, that's why we have to click on execute. And once we have done it, then we have to, yeah, I have to write it again because there was no triggered. Okay, the previous one also worked automatically. Maybe it went through different layers. And as you can see, right now, once it is executed, we can see messenger model, that text is sent. And then we have, yeah, we have the whole message. So this is how exactly the whole trigger and the Telegram bot works. You've got Telegram trigger, you've got a model, and you've got send a text message. Really important to know how to get the API access keys from OpenAI from Telegram. If you have any question, drop it down to me. We're also going to be sharing this exact workflow. And in the future videos, we're going to go into detail about how a lot of these Telegram bots properly work live. So like and subscribe and send to every person that you know on this planet Earth.